Hey guys, your friend Emil watching is here. This channel is all about showing opportunity to make money online, either free or paid. And today I don't want you to fall victim because I saw a video, though I did not watch it, but I am 100% sure that the creator of that video, I don't think is actually practicing dollar arbitrage. Maybe he's just making video for people. I don't understand, because when he said one can do arbitrage from Luno, between Luno and Binance, which is 100% no, capital no, it's not working out, because I have tried it out before. So I saw this video this morning. Today is 23rd of November. And I have tried this on the 16th of November. I discovered that it's going to end in loss. Okay, you are going to lose some money, part of your capital, not all, but part of your capital. All right. So, and I have to let me just show you what I have done, how I did it, so that you too will not go and forfeiting, because I know over 2,000 people has watched that video as at the time that I saw that video on YouTube this morning, and so I don't want you guys to go and forfeiting, okay, in what is not working. All right, so now let me just go to the wallet right here. So as you can see on Binance now, you can actually fund Naira to buy cryptocurrency, but I think I'll be doing that one later. So, but let me just show you what happened and how everything went. So now I deposited 20,000 on the 16th of November. As I told you, I deposited 20,000 Naira. Then after the charges and everything, so I was able to get 19,000 something. Then I bought 0.1418 worth of Litecoin, because of the, they are still going to send Litecoin from Luno to Binance and the charges. So you have to consider that, so that it will not take away the profit, even though everything still ended in loss. So now after I have done that, so I sent this 0.148 to Binance. I sent it to Binance. So let's just go straight to the Binance. So Binance order history. So on the 16th, Litecoin on the 16th. So this is it. So I sold it, and okay, Litecoin on the 16th. Litecoin, this is it. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, all right. So as you can see that I sold it right here, and I was able to get 34.7988 USDT. And you know that price rate of USDT in P2P these days is now going down every day. And so now let's just check. Let's do our calculator and do before I go to Binance itself, because I'll show you the amount that I sold it that day. But then let's go to Binance straight. Okay, let's go to Binance straight, and let's go to P2P, then order right here. So let's check for on the 16th completed order. So this is completed order. So, and this is on the 16th. All right, so let me just click complete. You can see 70 here, but remember I was able to sold at 34 point something, because I have some Binance, USDT that I want to sell together. That is what makes it up to 70. But I want to show you the rate that I sold. Look at the rates for that day: 538.07. Now 538.07 multiplied by, let's go and check amounts that I got. Let me check the amounts that I got. On the 16th, this is 16th, multiplied by 34.798. 34 multiplied by 34.798. You can see what I got, and I invested 20,000 naira. Meanwhile, it's even more than 20,000 naira. It's even 20,400 naira, because when you want to deposit on Luno now, the coupon that they will ask you to pay for, you have to pay some charges aside the exact amount that you really want to fund. So guys, I don't want you to forfeit him, so don't even go near Luno and Binance. It is not working. All right, it is not working. That is just the truth of the matter. I can see it's not working at all. It's not working at all. Now maybe you also want to buy crypto on Luno, right, but you don't know how to go about it yet. So that is exactly what I want to show you on that part. But if you want to buy Luno crypto on Luno with Naira, but you don't know how to go about it, let me just walk you through it so that you have better understanding about it. So what you need to do is just to go to Naira. When you log in, just go to Naira, okay, because you want to buy with Naira, so you have to deposit first. So that is this is their new system now. So instead of using your card or bank direct, so you then next thing you're going to do is click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, they will now ask you to create voucher. Okay, so you need to click on create voucher. Then, for example, I told you that I funded 20,000 the other time. So if you want to fund 20,000 naira, then you have to type it right here. So then you click on next. So when you click on next, you will see how much the total money that you are going to pay, as you can see. So you see the total money. Then what you're going to do next is just to click on continue to pay. Okay, so when you click on continue to pay, so they now show you if you are going to pay with, so they show you this website, Arbitrage Voucher. Okay, so you can pay with your card. So you are very free because you are creating a voucher. You are not using your card to buy a crypto. Okay, because this the website that they are referring you to is not a crypto platform. It's a place where you can buy voucher to buy any other thing. If you go to afrivoucher.com, afritickets.com, you see that they are not selling crypto there. Okay, but Luno is just using it as an avenue to be able to fund Naira to your Luno platform. Okay, so if you like, you can now pay with your card. If you like, you can just come to this place and click on change payment method. Okay, if you click change payment method, you're going to see the two types. So you can pay with your card or you can pay with bank transfer. Okay, like myself, for example, I paid with bank transfer. So they're going to give you a bank account, Wema bank account, that they're going to make a transfer to. So once you make that transfer, then once you make the transfer to this bank account, then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on. So they ask you to click on this. I have made transfer. After you have made the transfer successfully, so once you click on it, so automatically they will send you a voucher information to your email address. Let me check in my email address. Maybe I will still see it, but I'm not really sure. But let me just check. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't find it again. So, but immediately your payment has been confirmed at this website, vouchers.afritickets.com. They will now send the voucher information, like it looks like card details, like card number, the expiry date, like CVV. All right, so they will send it to your phone number that you use to register on Luno, and the email address that you use to register on Luno. So they are going to send it to the two. Once they send it to the two, then what you need to do is just to come back to Luno and click on voucher redeem. Okay, you just need to click on voucher redeem. So once you click on voucher redeem, so you're going to see the number. Okay, so you send the number voucher, you send it here. They will give you voucher pin, you put it here. The expiry, you put it, the expiry here, you put it there. Then they will now give you security ID also as well. Then you put that one there. After you have done all this, Then the next thing that you're going to do is just to click on redeem voucher right here. So once you click on redeem voucher, automatically your money is going to be credited in your Naira right here. So you're going to see your money right here. Okay, so you're going to see your money right here. So after you've seen your money, you can now use that money to buy anything. Then I will advise you, maybe you don't know before, if you want to use Naira to buy or you want to trade a currency to another currency, a pair to another pair in Luno, don't just come to, like, for example, now let's say I want to buy crypto with Naira, then or let me say, yeah, I want to buy crypto with Naira. Then let me just click on Naira right here, and I now said I want to buy, oh, excuse me, now say buy. You can see buy right here. Don't just buy right here, it's always or buy or sell at this place. Okay, don't just buy and sell on this, so you're still going to lose. Okay, if you want to buy or sell in Luno, I will advise you to be using this. Just come to home. When you get home, you're gonna see this. So it is better to buy or sell using this button right here. So you buy cheaper than the other side. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys today. So don't fall for that video. It doesn't work. Luno and Binance Arbitrage are not friendly. You're going to lose at the end. Okay, you're going to lose at the end. As you can see in the work I just showed you, you can see that I lost almost 3,000 Naira. Okay, because I funded 20,400. I was able to get 18,000, I think 18,900 or thereabouts back. So you can see that's a huge loss. So that is what I have for you. So if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting notification whenever I drop a valuable content that you actually need to, do well in your business or to make money for yourself. All right, and by the grace of God, maybe before the end of this week, I want to make a video where you can get free BNB. Yes, how you can be getting BNB. I mean, mine BNB without spending a dime. You can earn as many as possible. It depends on how many you want to be earning in a day or in a week. It depends on you. All right, so I want to make that video. So if you really love to watch this video, I want you to comment under this video and just comment, I want BNB video. I want BNB video. Then like this video. If I am able to see at least 500 likes on the video, on this video, and a lot of comments and subscription, then I will make that video before the end of this week. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.